Yeah. So, Poppy, can you show me your screen? Any doubt? How to use locator?
Yeah.
Can you share me your screen, Poppy? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Can you run this one?
Yeah.
Okay. YouTube page get open. You click movies. Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. Again, you are searching on YouTube, correct? This was a second test case. This one is music, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
So actually, there was a problem. We tried to run the login test, but the
Mm-hmm.
browser was not allowing it. So it showed some no restrict or some that kind of message.
To sign in. Like if you want to
Okay.
sign into an account.
Okay. If you want to sign in, then there is one like sign in Google.
Oh.
So it's a application issue. Okay. Correct.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So you have to click on sign in button. Then again you have to put user ID and password. So we'll see on later on how to use login and logout method. Okay. Okay, that's great. You tried at least uh, opening the YouTube website, putting movies in that search box, and getting the movies list. And in second scenario, you have done like same YouTube channel. You are putting the music, correct?
No, actually, that too was in before and after conditions. I think before and before each condition.
Yeah, yeah. You use hooks, correct? Yeah.
Yeah, and the test cases was to that YouTube Shorts check for the down key and the up key working.
Hmm. Okay, to search on YouTube. Yeah. After each google.com. Okay. Okay.
After
So
was
once you complete it, you need to Google page will get open, correct?
yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, there we was not getting any other cases, so just loaded with the
Okay,
Google.
okay, that's good try. Yeah, yeah, great, great. And guys, remember one thing, like like you are using CY.wait, correct?
Yeah.
So if you're working in a company like so, like when we run our test cases on Jenkins, so there is no need to use that kind of wait, static wait. In that case, we have to use timeout and intercept wait for that case. So I'll let you know how to use that one. But as of now, you can use that one, no problem. But in real scenario, avoid this using CY.wait. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And Femina, your assignment?
Yeah.
Screen.
1 minute.
Okay. Same thing?
No, like slight differences.
Okay. Is the internet problem at your end?
It's, yeah, that's.
Oh, that's good. Great. So, Gopi and Pamela, you have any doubt how to find out the locators? And what I am saying here that you just directly you get locator by clicking that button, correct?
Yeah.
We have that doubt. Is there any criteria, or is there any problem that we use the direct locators?
Can you yeah, Gopi, can you just repeat it?
Actually, we use multiple times that locator function in Cypress. So, is there any criteria recommendation like we should minimize the use of that or something like that?
You mean to say minimize the use of locator, correct?
Minimize the use of locator means that function, that Cypress one. Uh,
Can you just showcase it by sharing your screen?
yeah.
Like, is there a way? Is there any what format? Like, should we use ID for this type of test cases and like name for this type of test classes, like that?
So we mostly use this function US test showed us.
Yeah, yeah. This is one. I just giving the information. Use that one. But if you are working in a real project, so don't use that one.
Okay.
Okay. Try to use ID class. Or today I'm explaining you the new concept how to find out the locator by using tag name attribute equal to value. This is one formula you have to remember that one. Okay. So you need to use that one only.
Uh,
Okay. Also, the before and
after precedence.
Yeah.
And is there any precedence for before each? Yeah. Which one runs first?
See, the sequence is like that. If you are using before means it comes first. Okay. So before executing any it block, if you're writing before, and suppose you have 4 it blocks, so whatever you're defining under before hooks, it will execute it first, then all the it blocks. This is the concept of before. Okay. And
if we use both before and before each in a single
yeah, so before each is what, like if you're defining something in before each, and suppose you have 4 it blocks, so that before each executed after each and every it block, means before each and every block.
So, like, first the before will run.
First
and then
before only run once.
Yeah, and then before each will
Then
run.
before each, then it block.
And
Then
one
before
it
each,
block.
then it block. Then before each, then it block, like this.
Yeah.
And same vice versa for after and after each. After run once, after all the tests get executed, and after each means after every it block, it will get run.
Okay.
So this is the concept of hooks. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let me share my screen and I'll show you how to use the another method to find out the locator. Okay.
Also, do we have like any structure that we are following? Like any like topics just for us to look
I
before and
think Tyagi sir has sent to you the syllabus, no?
who?
Tyagi sir.
Yeah, we received one syllabus from Chroma Institute.
Yeah, yeah,
That one. Okay.
yeah. Actually, we'll do that one. We'll cover. So right now, what I'm teaching you, like right now, we are into locator topic.
Okay.
Okay.
How to find out locator in different ways. Once you get this knowledge now, so you can do many more things. So first,
Also, can you share some hard document type things so that we can refer what we have learned?
if you want to, like, there is a document Cypress IO. This
Or
is
that
the
Cypress one's
yeah
official.
Cypress one. Yeah, this is the best one. You can follow that one, and whatever the new changes coming now, you will get that one from the documents.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the best one. Okay. Yeah. So I'm sharing my screen to you. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
like how to find out locators. Okay. So by using tag name. So there is one formula. Write on tag name here. In the box, write on attribute and your value in single quote. This is your formula for finding the locator. So here we are not using class or ID. We are just using tag name attribute value. Okay. So suppose the question comes here when to use this formula. Okay. So in the case when you finding the locators, and in that case the class and ID is not getting displayed. Okay. So in that case you can use this tag name attribute value. Got it? Now
Yes.
I'll just open the Google page here. Now if I inspect it, this text box, so I can see here ID. I can see a class also. Okay. So instead of taking ID or class, I just use this formula. So can you see this text area?
Yeah.
Mm.
This is the tag name. Can you see this tag?
Okay.
This one is the tag name because you can see this here, this sign, closing and opening sign. Can you see this one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one tag name. Okay. So here my tag name is text area, and attribute is suppose instead of class I'll take max length. Suppose this is my attribute max length, and value is for that max length 2048.
Yeah.
I am using this one. This one is my value. Okay, I put here. Now put all this value in this formula. So this is your tag name, text area. Okay, this is your attribute max length. Should be in the box, and the value for this one should be in single quote. Okay, now use this one. Now open your VS Code and just make one more file like tag name .cy.js. Okay. Now again use this. Make a habit of writing this one. Okay. Reference types equal to what? Cypress. Now use describe block here. Start learning locators using tag name. This is a fat arrow operator. Write on one it block. Write on here to open the Google page. How to open any page? Just revert to site dot visit. Write on Google page dot google.com. Okay. Now again, if this page is get open, use cy.get here. Now use our formula dot type hello world. Do what as I'm doing. Okay. So I am running this. First I'll just, yeah, it's already open. Yeah, this was now tag name. Run this tag name now. See, hello world get displayed here. Can you see?
Yeah.
So what I have used here? If you see, I'm using this one. Text area max length 2048. I haven't used class here, not ID. Simple formula. Tag name, attribute value. So this is the best formula to remember. If IDA class is not getting displayed here. Now the question comes here. As I said you that we have to use tag name. So even though we can use like this also. This one is my tag name. This one is my class is my attribute value, and this one is my value. Okay. So I can use like this also. Copy this one. Go to a formula like this. Uh, Text area is my tag name, and this one is my class, and this one is my value for this class. Like this. Take this, copy it, go to your VS Code, just give a comment, and again paste it here. Cy.get in double quote for this one. Dot type hello world. Now save it and run it. Guys, can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, I can also try in a different way. Like using ID. Can you see the ID? Take this ID here, go to a formula. Now use text area, your ID. This in the box, write on ID equal to single quote. Close the box. Go to your US code. Again give comment. Cy.get double quote. Paste it here. Again type here hello world. Now save it. Run it. See, in a different time we can create different. So how many type of using one formula we have created three locators, different locators. Can you see? Yeah. Now here we have another like if Now you can see here we have like this J section. Can you see? Yeah, you can take J section also. Text area, and my attribute is called J section. Equal to single quote. The value of J section is what? The value is this one. This is the map value. Copy this one and paste it. Okay. Now remove this and text. Use this one. See what result you are getting now. Give comment. See what you get. Double quote. Write down now. Hi, hello world. Save it. Run it. Now here it says that this text area J section paste not found. Okay. So now here you can see carefully. You can see in this J section you can see colon is there. Can you see colon? And after colon you will see here semicolon. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. So put here semicolon and try to run. See. So if you see in your code there is colon and semicolon for value. So don't change colon and semicolon. Okay, when you are using tagname attribute value. Okay. So you can create by using class, by using J section, by using ID, by using match lane, by using name, rows. So this all your attributes and its values, and this one is your tag name.
So if there are more than one classes of same, so should we again use that EQ?
Yeah, exactly. If there are more than one classes in your in one tag, so you can use this formula. Instead of taking class, you can use which is unique.
Okay.
Yeah, or we have different method also. Like for example, if there is a first index, you can use first method. Okay, if it is not first, second method, you can use EQ one. If it is last one, you can say last this one. We have three methods to find using using index.
It has the similar syntax that text area after the square box dot EQ then index number.
Yeah, but in this case, in text area when you are using this formula is always unique, because you're taking this one by creating a formula. But in case when you're using a class and the class is not unique, yesterday which we have seen, in that case you can use first. If it is first, if it is not first, second, then you can use EQ. And if it is a last, you can use last function. Yes. Got it?
Can you show me how the index has been taken once more? Yesterday when we tried, we only get the total numbers, but not the particular classes number.
I'm not getting you. What do you want to say, Gopi?
Can you show one more time how to get that index number?
Okay, index number. No, yesterday we have seen. No, like for example.
Yeah, say
Yeah,
again
yeah.
when we tried, we got only the total numbers of similar, but not that particular classes number.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, see, I'll showcase you how to use that one. See, in the Google page, suppose if you go there, if you're taking class, only class, copy this one, and without using the formula, you're using this one. Can you see GLF5? If you, when you're taking only class, no, without using the formula, put dot here. Now you can see one of two. You can see here. Can you see one of two?
Yeah, but in my system, it's directly showing only two matches, not that one of two.
Can you show me your screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like this 3 matches.
No, put dot na before CLY.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, you have to put dot for Cypress purpose. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now see here, I'm sharing my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Now see. See, I'm getting here one of two. Means this is not unique. This is not unique. One second. One second. One second. I'm just coming back. One second.
അപ്പൊ ഇൻഡെക്സ് 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഈക്വൽ 1 അപ്പൊ ഈക്വൽ 0 എന്നിട്ട്
അത് ചിലപ്പോൾ
0 അല്ലേ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇൻഡെക്സ് നോട്ട്
ഇന്നലെ ഇത് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ വരുന്നില്ല. ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തു.
അല്ല അത് ഇതിടുമ്പോ ആ ഇടയ്ക്ക് അങ്ങനെ വരുന്നത് മാച്ച് ആ ആരോ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോ പക്ഷെ 1 ഓഫ് 3 2 ഓഫ് 3 വരും.
Yeah, Gopi, I'm back. Yeah. So in this case, suppose see, you can see
Yes.
this one of two. Okay. So in that case, you can use see this one is second one. This one is the first one. So first one is not getting displayed here. You see, then see. Can you see? So first, second one is text area, and first one this is showing here. So in that case, we can use EQ 0 or 1 depends. Like for example,
So
yeah, Femina, go ahead.
no, like if it's the first index, we use EQ 0, and
Yeah,
if it's like, what if it's like 1 out of 2 it's showing, right? So first index is 0 or 1.
yeah. See, we have to check it out whether it is 0 index or 1 first index. Okay, now I'll take 0 first. Okay, now in this EQ 0, I have to type something, correct? To type a hello world. Only hello I'm typing here. In 0 index. Let's see what happens. See, can you see hello gets printed here? And you can see the 0 index. Okay,
It's
now what I'll do, I'll change my index to 1. See the result now.
it's stuck. Hello, the screen is stuck actually.
Yes, Femina.
The screen is stuck.
Okay, my screen is stuck. Okay, once again, let me share it once again.
Internet connection.
Can you see?
Yes.
Now see, I use index 1 here, so I'm getting error. See this one EQ is equal.
Hmm.
Okay, so this should be in index 0. So if I use index 0, then there is no error for me. Okay, now run this one. Got it? Now, what I'll do now, the next step is yesterday we discussing about the parent and child concept, correct? Now, without using this EQ, I can also make this class as unique by using the parent one. How? See, this class I want, correct? This is the main class which I want to use, but it is not unique. So what I'll do,
Yes.
I'll go up. See carefully, it's very important. Go up. You can see this style. Close this one. Yeah, still you can see this text area. So this one is not parent for this one, but this div. Close this div and check it out. Yeah, if you close this one, you can see here it is hiding inside this one. So it means that this div tag is parent to this text area. Same as this class for div area is a parent to this one. So what I'll do, I'll copy this class here and paste it here. And before pasting, just give some space here. Here. Now you can see, put dot here first. See, can you see? It's now unique, one of one.
Hmm. Yes.
So this is a parent-child relationship. You just find out which one is parent and which one is child. And the best way to finding out is like just close the button here. Yeah, this it is not a parent for this one, but this div when you are closing this one, it is hidden inside this div tag name. So this one is child for this one. Okay. So for that one you can use this class parent class, then give some space, then dot your class your child class name. Take this, go to your VS Code and give comment here and write down here something here. Write down here. This is your type good morning. Suppose you have a good morning. Okay. Now run it. See it get passed. Got it? So first keep in mind that your locator should be unique. Should be unique. If you are finding that your locator is not unique, that you can use if you found that your locator is not unique. So what would you do? First use first method if it is a first method, or try to use if you method or last method. Else what you can use? You can use this one tag name attribute equal to value. If it is still, if you're not getting, even though if you can use, you will get the result. But the another method is parent-child concept. So in this way, you can find the locators.
So
Got
in
it?
a single parent class, there wouldn't be any two similar child classes.
Your voice is very slow, very low.
So I didn't hear you.
Low voice, low voice, low.
Hello,
Yeah, yeah.
can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
In a single parent class, is there any chance of two similar child classes? Like,
No, no, it's not like that. If there is a two, then you can use in that case child and that one. This is a different concept. But what happened? In one parent you can find both child. So depend you which tag you are taking out.
no, I mean that if in a single parent class there are two similar child classes.
Hmm.
So then what should we do?
In a what you see what I am understanding from your question, you want to ask that there is one parent having many children, correct? So how we can find out among them, correct?
No, no.
The child class will be like, is it unique, or in one parent class itself, the child class can be same? Like two children can have the same class.
Yeah.
Here na you can see here. You can see here in this case only this parent having two children. One this one is not unique na.
Hmm.
Hmm.
It is two na.
Yeah.
Already this parent having one class which is not unique, correct?
Uh,
So that is the reason we use this parent
no.
having
The other similar one is it out of that parent class or in the same parent class?
the same parent class. See here, we cannot use. See how to find out the same parent, because see here, close it, the same parent for this one. Even though this one is not unique, when you use this class, it became unique now.
Is will there be another like attribute that has the same class under this parent itself?
Under this parent, you have to check it out for another case like this one. Google search. Because see, if you close this one, only this child comes.
Hmm.
Okay, so if you mean to say that instead of class, can I use ID?
No, no. If here the parent class is A for BIC, right?
Correct,
And then its child class is GLF YF.
correct.
So is there a chance that in the same parent class there would be another child class with the value GLF YF?
Yeah, in that case, suppose this happens to you. In that case, so there is one another formula like we can use like this. It happens in the table. We have one table, so we can write like table TD TR TD and hyphen child one. You can use it like this. Suppose you have one table. In that table, you have around 10 rows.
Hmm.
Okay, and table having one parent child, but that parent child containing many children which having the same class. In that
Yeah.
case, we can use child 1, child 2, child 3. Which one you want?
Okay.
So the syntax is like TRTD, that one.
Yeah, TRTD is used for table. If the table you have table, correct.
Huh.
Otherwise, if table is not there, na, then you can use child 5, child 6 like this only, and child 5 you can use like this.
Okay.
This
And
one. Got it?
yeah.
Yeah. Now in this case, suppose if I instead of writing this EQ file, if I use like this. This one is child 1. Now I'm saving it and see what result I'm getting now. See, I'm getting here child is not defined here. Can you see? Yeah. So in this case, you cannot use directly here. But if it is like this, or instead of like 1 second, and child, we cannot use directly this one. There should be something like child class you're using. So TRTD and child one. So in that case, what I'll do? Wait a minute. Instead of this, if I use this one, child one. It's working. This is become more complex. See, syntax is unauthorized expression. This one. So wait a minute. You can use that case. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But when there is a table, no, that case we can use that one. Child comes in. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Tomorrow you can get
Yeah.
back to this.
1 second. 1 second. Mm-hmm. I'll let you know when we are using table one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also in this parent-child class, parent-child, this format, we can use any attribute, right? Not only class, or is it?
Okay. Yeah, got it. Like you mean to say instead of class, can I use ID?
ID, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll check it out. This is my ID. For ID, you can use hash. Remember one thing, okay? Then give space and go to parent. And the parent one is this one is parent. And this parent class doesn't have an ID. Can you see? No ID is
Mm.
there. Only class is
Yeah.
there. So can you use this combination of parent
Class.
having
Yeah.
class and child having ID? Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, this one is the unique. Can you see? Take
Mm.
this and just go to your VS Code. See what ID. Save it. Run it. See now what I'm saying. Can you see what is saying?
Notice.
Notice.
Webpack compilation is giving error. If I you commit, still it's showing me or not? Let me check. Okay, it's not scripting error. Stop.
Constant. Constant. Already line group.
Okay, okay. See what happened, because of this error, I got one scripting here. You can see go up or somewhere you can see this
There's
one
one
again.
line
Can you see this
below.
line number 3?
Third line.
Yeah.
Load dash. This one is getting displayed here. So remove this one. It comes automatically error found,
Mm.
Yeah. Save it. Now run it. Now good morning and ID both are printing, correct? So let me give comment here. Now we want only ID, correct?
The parent
So
and
can you see here, Femina? Like when you are using your parent having class, okay, and your child containing the ID, so you can use the combination of both. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, Gopi, you have a doubt?
no, it's fine.
That's
Okay. Now there is another way to write locator using XPath. So guys, we don't have XPath by default in Cypress. So we have to install the XPath plugin from outside. Okay. So tomorrow session we'll see how to install XPath, how to use XPath. Okay. Yeah. And in company, if you see, like the mostly people use CSS selector only instead of XPath. But if you found that CSS selector is not working at some point, so at that time you can use XPath.
what.
So I just give you one highlight. Like for example, if you are using CSS selector now, like tag name attribute equal to value, correct? Equal to what? Value.
Value.
So this is your CSS selector. CSS selector. So how you can find the difference between these two? So in XPath we use like this tag name and at the rate attribute equal to value. This is your X path. So only you are using this forward slash and this at the rate in X path. Rest is same. Got it?
Yes. Good.
Now, if you see here carefully, you can see this area expanded. Can you see false?
Yeah.
So this one is area expanded false. Can you use this one as an attribute value tag? Area controls, area expanded, false, area has pop both. Can you use this one? Okay, do one thing. Gopi, you share your screen and try to use this one. Area expanded false, area has pop up both. These two you try. And Femi, you try this area on this one and auto caption off this one. You try this too and let me know. Yeah. So Gopi, just share your screen and let's
Yeah.
try. I'm stop sharing.
Area. Included.
Area expanded area control complete.
Gopi, what is this right click? Square dot right click.
Where?
Line number 7.
So. All right. Oh shit. Okay, good.
Okay, what is the error issue now?
Not found.
Yeah, timeout. To find element text area expanded equal to true. Now you just check it out. It is there same as it is in the Google page. Can you check it out? Area expanded, hyphen is there.
Yeah.
Area expanded. Area expanded false now. You return true. So what is true or false?
Actually, I have copy pasted it. So
What?
I actually copy pasted it. At the time, I think it was true.
Okay, now you use false and check it out.
Yeah.
Save it.
Hmm. It's running. Ah, yeah. It's running. Well,
It's working now.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Try for the second one.
Will the value changes like that? That true to
Yeah, yeah.
false.
Yeah, that is why we are not using this true or false thing because the value gets changes every time.
Okay.
Sometime if you see now closely, class also value get changes. You know, some in some time, some pages if you see closely, you can find that the class value also get changes. So in that case, we
Yeah.
can use
Now
the
it's
child.
true.
Yeah, no, it's true, correct.
Yeah.
So avoid any value which is get changes. You know.
Mhm. Well, is that area expanded means that suggestion box coming?
Yeah, exactly. It's a more suggestion box like area expanded. So basically,
So,
the text area having many attributes.
no.
Data wise. So we have to use that attribute value which is like constant, not change, static. Not changes every time. Yeah. You can also choose like this text area type search. Can you see? Or you can use text area title search. So when you find that spell check false or off on, avoid this one.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
So any doubt up till now?
No,
No,
it's
it's
Okay. So today's assignment is just open the Facebook page, Gopal. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, Gopi, you have tried. Femina, did you try?
yeah. I tried the auto capitalize and auto complete.
So it's working fine.
Yeah, it was running.
Okay. So it's getting changed or not?
No, it didn't change.
Okay. Good. Now open Google page. Sorry, Facebook page. Today's assignment I'm giving to you. In that Facebook page, you can see username or ID or something and password and the submit button, correct? Login button. So we want to automate that one. Create one dummy username and password for Facebook and try to log in it. This one is assignment I'm giving to you. If you want, you can try in front of me also.
Wait, we have to create new account
Yeah, first register your account in Facebook. That is dummy. Okay,
and then
like for learning
Can,
purpose.
can I share the screen?
Yeah, you
See.
can share me the screen.
So I have loaded the Facebook.
Okay.
The other day we tried with Google and the YouTube, and both were showing that the browser
sign in won't work.
sign in won't work with this browser or something like.
Okay. So, so can you use another browser instead of Chrome? Can you use
No, I
Electron?
tried it with the Edge also.
Electron. Did you try Electron?
No, I didn't try the Electron, but the Edge also I tried. I think I had the script for that.
Okay, you have script for that one. Okay. So can you run that script?
Yeah, I think it's this one.
Okay.
No, the above one. this session.
Okay. And it is also getting same error in H also. H.
Yeah, it's in actuals. I think the same problem was there.
Okay, use electron, no? Electron. Tag name, no. It's a trial one, no?
Try. Oh,
Yeah,
electron.
use electron.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you try right now, or can you try and show me tomorrow?
Yeah, we'll do now.
We'll do it. It's okay.
Okay. So try. We both try. Okay. Let me know.
Yeah, okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Gopi, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Gopi.
I have done it. Can you check it now?
Yeah, yeah, show me.
Yes.
Okay, great, great. You, okay, what about you, Femina? Have you done?
No, I have like some more.
Okay, okay, no worries. Take your time. Show me tomorrow then.
Sure.
Okay, guys. Okay, then we'll meet on tomorrow then same time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye. Take care.